Welcome friends. In this video I'm going to show you how to read an input in the C program and how to print the output in the C program. Here I'm using code blocks editor. So let's start the video. Let's see how to write a simple basic C program. So first we have to write hash include stdio.h. This is a standard input output library which is used to take the scanf and printf statements. So it is must. And next, void main. This is the main function which will be executing first, and we have to write the code in the curly braces. So we can print anything using this printf statement. In the printf, using double quotes, we can print anything here. After every statement we should put a semicolon, which is must. So after doing all this, we should save the file, and before running it we should build this. After building, here it shows build finished and 0 errors. That means it has been compiled successfully. So now we should run the program. This is how we can run, and here you can see the output, which is hello world. This is how we can print the statements. Let's see how to read the input statements. For reading any inputs, we should declare the variables. For integers, we can declare like this: int n, and to read this we should use scanf. In that, %d is the format specifier for integer types, and we have to use ampersand and the variable name. This is how we can read the variables in C. And to print the variables, we can use the printf, as I have told. To print variables, we should use again the format specifier %d and n. Here we should not use the ampersand. This is how we can read the input and print the input which we have read. Let's run this program. First we should give the input. Let me give 3, and it is printing 3. In order to understand it more, like, we can print enter a number. For the user understanding purpose, we can give this. Now let's run this. First we have to build and then run. It will show enter a number. So I will enter now 5, and it is printing 5. So this is how we can run the program. Then one more thing we can see here. We can store this printf statement in any variables. Like, I have declared one more variable a, and I am storing this printf statement in an a. Let's see what is the output now. You might be wondering, can we do this? But yeah, we can do this, and let's see what is the output we will get. Now let's save this and run. Enter a number. I'm entering 4. This is 4 is the variable, and 1 is the number that is stored in A. To see this more understanding way, we can use /n, which is used to give a new line character. So now we can see the changes. Five is the variable that is stored in n, and 1 is the variable that is stored in A. So the a contains the character in the printf statement. N contains one character, so which will be stored in a. This is how it will work.